Okay. After completing this one, again we can go back to grammar. Okay. Jumbled paragraphs and even sentence arrangement also. So here there are two types of questions. Sometimes here, okay, a sentence will be broken into 4 parts and they are arranged, okay, okay, in disorder, and they will ask us to arrange them in proper order. This is one method. Breaking the sentence into different parts, okay, and giving them in disorder and asking them to arrange them in proper order. Is it clear? This is one type of exercise. Another one here, okay, 4 or 5 sentences of a paragraph are given in disorder. Okay, we have to arrange those sentences in proper order. Okay, two types of questions are coming. This is one section in the examination. And remember, we have only 24 questions. In the 24 questions here, okay, so all sections may or may not be present, but whatever they have mentioned, we have to cover. Okay, so let us complete this one. Okay, guys, shall we start here? Okay, 6:05 no time. So see the first example and tell me here the correct order of the sentence. The correct order of the sentence. By her indulgent parents, the child was so spoiled, okay, when she did not receive all of their attention, that she pouted and became sullen.
Sir, once repeat the above para, sir.
Above this, these are only instructions. Instructions.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? Okay. So here a big sentence is divided into 4 parts. Okay. And those are given in disorder now. And they are asking us to arrange in the proper order. Right? So what is the correct order here? Tell me for this one. And these are coming in the exam. Yeah. Amruta, okay, good. Mahendra, wrong. Durga Bhavani, wrong here. Check once more. So what is the answer, guys, here? C is the answer. QP, yes, sir. Very good. QP, yes, sir. Durga Bhavani, check once more. And let me tell you why. The child was so spoiled by her indulgent parents. It is in passive voice. Spoiled by her. Okay. How much spoiled here? So spoiled by her okay, indulgent parents that she pouted and became sullen. That much spoiled. When she did not receive all of their attention. Remember, okay, in the question here generally, time should come, okay, at the end of the sentence. Time should be the last phrase or last word of the sentence. Is it clear? So here R should come at the end only. QP, yes, R. So spoiled that, okay, after Q, yes, we think like that. But here, by her indulgent parents, it should come, okay, here itself. QP, yes, R. Okay. So next, attempt second one. All of you attempt second one. Uh, Meaning of last sentence. What is the meaning of, okay? What is that? Okay. She was so spoiled. Okay. Okay. That she pouted and, okay, you can see this sullen attitude. What is the meaning of sullen? Okay. Angry or gloomy, dull attitude. Dull attitude. Is it clear? And pouted also, you see the meaning of pouted here. Pout, what is the meaning of pout? Yeah. Displeasure. Okay. Displeasure. What is that? Okay. Right. Okay. Wait. And here is a problem with this cursor. Why it is here I have given even the key also for all those. I will send you this copy to you. Some disturbance. Sorry for this one. Why it is the happening like this? Guys, what is that here? Okay. Okay. I'll stop showing. Okay.
Once
Sharing
close
once
and
again. Once again here I will. Okay. Share the screen. Why this happens, guys? Here, do you know this?
Sir, are you using the mouse?
Yeah.
Once disconnect and reconnect it, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is the mouse problem only.
Now is it? Now it's okay, right, sir?
It's okay now.
Yes, sir. Sometimes mouse problem.
Okay. Okay. This one. Why? Okay. Participants are very less today and yesterday also. Batches are made. Yeah, let us see this one. And third one. Second one. What is that one? What is your answer? Women enjoy unsurpassed power in modern society. Women enjoy unsurpassed power in modern society. This is the answer. Okay, SP or Q, SP or Q.
Sir, but in modern society, women enjoy unsuppressed power also can be written.
Okay, okay. Yeah, we Indians here, okay, we keep here in modern society. Okay, in modern society means where? So here I would like to tell you here the secrets here. What is the structure generally? Structure of a sentence, let me tell you. Okay. Ayyo. Hmm. The structure of a sentence you can note down in your notes. The structure of a sentence is generally first you need to okay, start with the subject here. Write down subjects. First you need to write here with the subjects. Okay. Then verb. Write down. The same problem is coming. Write down guys here first subject, then verb, then immediately after verb here we should go with the objects or complements, then manner, then place, then time. So place and time should come last. Okay, after object here, manner, place, time. That is the structure of a sentence. Let us see here. Where are we? Here I want to tell you here. Take the structure, all of you guys. Subject plus verb, okay, plus object, okay, plus object or complement. Object or complement. Sorry guys, here. What is happening? I couldn't understand.
Sir, is it wireless mouse or wired mouse, sir?
Huh?
Wireless mouse or wired mouse, sir?
Wired only, wired. Any problem with that one?
If we get like this, when we disconnect and reconnect, it should come, sir.
Okay. But it is not coming actually. What is the reason? I don't know. Yeah. Time waste. Okay. Let me stop and okay. Yeah. Even when I am using this one, it is coming for some time. Here, any other option, guys? Just wait for a minute, okay? Just I'll stop it and again come back. Ram Subhash, can you take okay command?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, give. Ram Subhash, can you give it back to me? Okay, yes.
Yes, sir. You are the host, sir, now.
Okay. So yeah, now it's okay. Yeah, let me tell you. What is happening? I don't know. Sorry here.
Sir, otherwise once restart the system, sir.
Okay. That is only a good idea. Otherwise, assigned to whom? Adi Lakshmi. It is with you.